splits, guardian no more, spinning fate in misty floor. Lair weaving calls the ring to close, roots the bold, consumes their thrones. Piercing strand splits the barrier, tanking jaws to clear the carrier. Infusion tether ensnares the soul, the bond or pay the toll. Living still pulls on mortal ground. Stand too close and you'll be bound. Overinfusion bursts, blast the forge. Rage scatters, shape submerge. Primal spell storm rings, arcane hail. Arcane overview tells the tale. We fight within the weaving wrath. Silk and doom across our path. We stand through burst and stand and snare. We rise with unbroken prayer. Face cracks open, she breaks the ties. Unbound rage shreds the skies. Arcane Ichor floods the floor. We scramble battered towards the door. Raging waves splits the line, soaked by many, not just thine. Lingers stacking pain, yet life persists in every vein.
Arcane outrage drives us wild, push back floods from every side. We weave between the damaged tide, our hearts alight with battle's pride.
Silk and fury, arcane storm, threads unravel, leaves deformed, bones break free in roaring light. Light emerges from boundless night. We stand all battered, spirits torn, through wave and weave and tethered fraud. Under flame of iridescent glow, our will endure as our hearts beat slow. Furnace of silk and arcane fire, we dance the edge of fate's empire. Loom'ithar's power starts to burn, her final threat comes at our turn. We stand, silken fury sways, we hold through darkest days. We strike till threads unwind, from bonded chaos victory we find.
Silken threads unravel slow, binding falls as candles glow. Loom'ithar rattles armor torn by mortal hearts that will not mourn. Unbound rage breaks chains underground, knockback crashes echo sound. Arcane mighty core floods the floor. We dance the edge of death's dark door. Writhing waves split stone and bone. Tanked and soaked or struck alone. Yet through the burning silent pain, we stand at last in victory's array. Arcane outrage crashes wild. We weave around her final child. Push back done, the forge stands clear. The final roar dissolves in air. Silken threads unravel slow, binding ends the arcane bow. Boss undone, no minds remain. Her silken web now torn in vain.